Hello everybody, welcome to this video. We will go through the career plan and impact essay for the Chevening Scholarship. So as always, before diving deep into writing step by step everything, I always love to break down the main question so that you know exactly what the question is and what are the things that we really need to pay full attention to. So first of all, career plan and impact essay outline your medium and long-term career plans. You have to know this one thing, that the short-term goals are not asked to be written in the career plan essay. It is asked to be written in the study plan essay, which we discussed in the previous essay. This year it is changed. So the short-term goals, like 1 to 5 year plans, immediate plans, should be written in the study plan essay, not in the career plan essay. Please relate your answers to a key challenge or priority facing your country or region. What impact do you intend to make in your home country or region? Probably, what's the big problem that you want to solve in your country? What's the big impact that you want to bring to your country? How does your career plan connect with your course of study and the challenge or priority you identified? Why you want to study this X field? Because you have to have a good relation between the field of your study and the plans that you want to achieve and the impacts you want to bring in the future. And what barriers or obstacles you might face, right? And how will you overcome those them, okay? So this is also important because you have to, in order to achieve those goals, to bring those impacts, it's not easy. It's not like a straight road. There are many bumps and jumps and a lot of problems and obstacles that you will face in order to achieve those goals. So you have to identify them. That's also important. How will being a Chevening Scholar help you achieve your ambitions? So what's the point of this Chevening if you want to achieve those goals? Of course, you don't need Chevening. You don't need the UK. If you have identified the problem, if you know the goals, if you have the plans, if you know the obstacles, just go do it. So what's the point of applying to Chevening? Here is the point that you have to discuss why I need to apply to Chevening Scholarship, because Chevening Scholarship will open these kind of doors for me, or possibilities, or relations, or networks, or influence, or anything, skills, expertise, so that I would be able to bring those fundamental changes and impacts to my country. Okay, before we proceed, I would like to tell you, if you need help writing your essays and you want me to help you review your essays, read it, and write comments, honest feedback. What are the good examples, the good points, the bad points? If or is your essay good enough to be awarded the Chevening Scholarship or not, you can pick one of the packages that I have on my website to help you with your essay. The link is in the descriptions below. And if you want to have full access to this course, the materials, or these essays, these essays are a part of my essay writing course on my website. The link is also in the descriptions below. You can enroll to this course and you have access to all 4 essays and the rest of this video as well. All the videos with more details are included in those courses. The link is in the descriptions below once again. And if you want to have one-on-one consultation with me, you can book it also on my website. We can talk directly, video call. We can go through your essays and see them, check them. What are the good points, the bad points, what should be done, what should not be done. You can share your essays beforehand. I go through, read them, and then we discuss it together. So these are the helps and support channels that I can help you. Please feel free to select any of them. Links for all my support are in the descriptions below. This video ends here. The rest of it will be included in my course. Thank you very much, and I wish you best of luck and success with your Chevening application. Good luck and bye-bye.